Hey guys, how's it going? So what we have here is a 2009 Hyundai Santa Fe. And lately I've noticed when you're coming to a stop and you hit the brakes, the brake lights come on, the headlights will dim for a few seconds. So I checked all the grounds. Those seem fine, but what we have here is, if you follow this cable off the negative, this chassis ground here, Hyundai has an issue where it's all painted. There's no bare metal. So there's a couple bolts back there, right there. I'll take those off and take the Dremel and shine it up and see if that does the trick. Okay, so we had to take this fuse block apart. There's these 4 bolts here, and then there's 3 nuts, and then there is some clips here, here, and here that hold that top fuse block on, and there's 3 nuts that hold these wires on too. So then you can pull this up so you have access to those 2 ground bolts. And I did get, so one of them snapped, it's so rusted. This one here broke. The head broke right off. This one I got out. And as you can see, Hyundai in all their wisdom. Let's see if I can. It's all painted. There's no bare metal for grounding, so that's not good. Right there. So I'll take a Dremel tool with like a flap wheel and clean that up. I don't know what I'm going to do about this broken bolt. Doesn't look like that's coming out very easy. So I don't know, maybe I do have a couple of ground straps coming. Maybe I'll just go from here to this post here. I'll put it right at the bottom there. Maybe I'll just do that. Get some more grounding. You can't overdo grounding. Alright, so I'll get that done. Alright, so it's looking nice and polished down there. And this is the flap wheel that I used here. Alright, got it all wrapped up. Got the new cable here going to this post here. Ground down to bare metal and got plenty of dielectric grease on that. And then the factory ground down there. Got the one bolt holding that on. Got plenty of dielectric grease on that too. And this is the grease that I use. You can pick this up at Harbor Freight. And next we'll do a nighttime test video. Alright, so we're out here at night for a little test to see if this grounding issue fixed the dimming headlights. And I'm happy to report that it no longer dims. As you can see, I'm hitting the brakes and the headlights are not dimming at all. And put the fan going here full speed and hit the brakes and it still doesn't, so very nice. At first I thought it would be the alternator, but and I think most people would think that, but turns out it's the grounds. So it's a Hyundai Kia thing where they put the ground strap, it's on painted metal, so it doesn't ground very good. I also noticed it's actually turning over a lot faster when you go to start it. I don't recall it ever turning over that fast, so that's another added benefit here. So, thanks for following along. Hopefully this helps you out. Consider subscribing for more how-to videos and fix-it videos. Got a lot in the pipeline here, so thanks for watching.